What's going on, guys? It's meme season. Meme season, particularly on Solana. You know when you're at high school and you kind of looked up to the cool kids, maybe you're a graduate or a sophomore or something. Is that what they call it in the States? We just call it year 7 in Australia. And you're kind of looking up to them going, oh, I want to be that guy, I want to be that girl one day, I want to be really cool. Well, that guy or that girl right now are Solana meme coins, guys. Solana meme coins are the cool kids in town. That's where it's at. That's where the money is being made at the moment. Now, a lot of people might turn around and say, oh, you know, meme coins, yeah, it's gambling, it's stupid, it's not really investing. Let me just make you really aware of one quick thing. The only real asset is BTC, maybe Ethereum right now. Everything else is an entirely huge, for the most case, speculative bet with unproven roadmaps, unproven business models, and for the most part, just unsustainable in general. So guys, like pretty much all of crypto is like that. And what you got to also realize is for everybody that makes money in crypto, there's got to be people that are going to lose money. So it's essentially a case of who's left holding the bags. It doesn't matter what project you're in, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Doge, whether it's, you know, dog wears pants or whatever it is. So there are so many just mad meme coins out at the moment on Solana doing ridiculous numbers, guys. We're talking like 100x, 10x, 1000x in just a matter of weeks. So why should we go and work a 9 to 5 for 20, 30 years when we can just do the same thing and make the money literally in one day? Well, I'll tell you why, because it's not easy to pick these meme coins. It's not easy to find them low. It's not easy to know when to get out at the top, because what can happen and what will most likely happen is that you're gonna get burned and you're gonna lose everything you put into these meme coins. That's what the odds are. The odds are you're not going to be a winner. And because of that, I'm here to tell you right now, don't invest in any of the meme coins that we're going to be talking about in this video. This is just simply something that I myself am doing for a little bit of fun. I'm investing no more than $50 US in any of the projects that we're talking about here. It is just for fun. $10, $20, $30. But what's really, really cool about Solana meme coins is the trading fees, guys, between Solana and these memes, it's virtually nothing, right? If you're trading, for example, on Ethereum, we know the gas fee for trading on Uniswap, for example, is like upwards of $10 US. So it really cuts a lot of people out of the market. And really the only time people are going to be doing big trades on Uniswap that makes sense is if you're buying like a big position, holding for a while. But in terms of like short-term trading in and out, Ethereum just does not make sense. And also Solana just absolutely killing it in market cap. It's still top 5 now, right? Has it still taken over BNB? I'm not sure, I haven't checked, but Solana dominates, guys, or BTC dominates, I should say. Solana dominates. Solana meme coins do dominate. So again, folks, let's get into the video. I'm just going to give you a quick little showcase of a few of the meme coins that I put a little bit of money into. We're just going to be going over their statistics. Now, I'm not trying to convince you to get any of them. I'm just doing this video just for fun, because it's the weekend, because it's Christmas coming up. And hey, if I hit a 10 or 100x on one of them, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this, covering the meme coins, seeing which ones do well, which ones don't. Or if you don't like this kind of content, then just hit the dislike button, guys. But rest assured, in these videos, guys, I always make them with the intention of just having a good time, having fun, and just covering exactly what I'm doing in the crypto space. So always do your own research before investing, guys. Let's check it out now. Now, the reality is, folks, that most, if not all of these, will be going to zero, but some of them in between that could possibly pump between a 10 to 100x. So let's go through all of the coins in order. Now, I have thrown in $50 into pretty much all of these coins, and the first one is the #1 trending on Bird Eye. Bird Eye, guys, I'll leave it maybe at the top of the description of this video. Essentially just a little tool for the Solana ecosystem where you can actually find meme coins. Okay, I think it's primarily for meme coins, but you can probably do some other analysis on here as well. BLUEFROG, this is the #1 trending, guys. As you can see here, I don't know how accurate this is here, the 24-hour, because I don't actually know if it really has done so much as a 26x, but the 1 hour, the 2 hour, 8, the 4, and the 30 minutes seem to be fairly accurate. If I go ahead and actually press refresh now, we'll see if that updates. Yes, as we can see, the 1 hour has updated to -15.19 and +25.66 for the last 2 hours. Now, guys, it's a bit of fun. You know, we can get 25% up to 100% pump in the hour, even like 100% pumps within the 30-minute time frame. So this is a bit of fun. If you're someone that is not comfortable with seeing red candlesticks like this, big peaks and big troughs, essentially big pump and dumps, guys, if you can't handle this emotionally, if you don't have the balls of steel for this, then these markets are not for you guys. So let's go through and have a look at the stats. So this one here, guys, BLUEFROG, it's only got 850 holders, so very easy to manipulate this one. Be very, very careful, guys. Honestly, the fully diluted market cap, guys, is 667,000, so closer to 500k market cap, even to 1 million. So that is pretty outrageous. Then the next one here, guys, now this is one that a lot of people are bullish about in the Telegram channels that I'm in. It's CIF, so it's essentially a cat wearing a hat. Okay, cat with dog, or cat with dog with hat, I should say, was really popular first. We'll be checking that out shortly as well. I've got a bit in that too. But CIF is kind of the one that a lot of people are talking about at the moment. And you can see here for the last 2 hours, guys. And again, by the time this video is out, a lot of these are probably going to change because they quite literally change every 5-10 minutes, these stats. So sorry about that. That's just the reality of it. I got to edit this video. But 2 hours, we're up 0.7, all right, 7.17, apologies. And for the last 24 hours, it's done a whopping 67.65%, guys. So that's pretty good returns there. A lot more holders there, so you can feel a bit more comfortable. More decentralized, more holders, the better. 3,210. A market cap of fully diluted of 4.6 million, guys. So quite a bit higher as well. And there's the public name, guys, cat with hat. There we go. And the third project, guys, is WIF. So this is kind of like the OG, if you can even call it one, guys. WIF right here. Dog with hat, all right? It's made it up to 28,483 holders with a fully diluted market cap of just shy of 200 million, guys. Just shy of 200 million. Remember, Pepe is about 500 million and Bonk, the original Bonk, is around 1 billion. Okay, so the fact that WIF has made it to 188 million, it's kind of like past that 100 million, almost that 200 million. This is going to be a bit slower. You may not get your 100x from here, but there still is a very realistic 10x. So in terms of risk to reward ratio for a really high risk degen meme, this is actually more of a conservative play. Okay, as you can see here, we've hit a low there, another higher low here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then we had a big crash down, all right, to these levels here, but we've just started to set more high lows. One here, okay, that was 3 a.m. my time, 8 a.m. 5 hours later, and then at 12 a.m. roughly 4 hours later, hitting those higher lows as well. And we did have that kind of drop off there from that top there, but again, just kind of rebuilding. This is the 15-minute chart that I'm using to look at all this, guys. The rest of the charts are just boring. Again, guys, this is not TA. We're not doing TA. We're just having a bit of analysis here, but this is a pretty interesting one. It is also, however, down 19.74% for the last 24 hours. All right, the next one we're looking at is a very new one, guys. 1758 holders. We've got a market cap of 188,000, so under 200,000 market cap. So very, very new. Okay, if we go to the last 2 hours, 7.45. The last 30 minutes, guys, see what I'm saying? 13.5, and the last 1 hour, 17.46. So it's shoes. So it's essentially a dog, but instead of pants, it's wearing shoes. It's that simple, guys. How much more do I need to explain it? Now, obviously, we had a big rise up here, came tumbling down. But again, we seem to be consolidating, but with a slightly upwards trending channel here, which looks pretty entertaining. Now, the next one, guys, Rue, okay? The Buffalo. Now, I had to jump into this one. This one's pretty ridiculous on the holders, 1,418, with a market cap shy of 500k with 410k. As you can see here, guys, it is down pretty badly, though, for the last 2 hours, 27.76%. And again, I just don't know what's going on with these 24-hour time frames. So I think maybe some of them are actually accurate, but don't always necessarily trust all of the 24-hour sort of ratios here. So again, it's still saying 5,000%, but yeah. As we can actually see there, I've just done a little test. It's actually fairly accurate. So I've just got a little measuring stick out here, guys, little measuring tape. And actually, yeah, according to this, it says we've done 4,324.82%. So it's showing positive 5,000%, so it's not entirely accurate. Actually, we're down here, it's a little bit off. It's more like 3,755, but that's actually fairly accurate. So again, guys, with such a small market cap, a good one to throw maybe $10, $20 in, but you probably shouldn't. The next one, guys, now this is a bit of an old favorite of mine. This is Brett. So this is trying to be like the Pepe of Solana. Okay, really cute little meme here. One friend with Pepe. Done really well though, guys. Not over the last 24 hours, but in the last maybe up to 8 hours, okay? 12% in the last 8 hours, 24% in the last 30 minutes, and 35% in the last 2 hours. So having a bit of a run up here. So as you can see, it actually had a little breakout. Where were we? Here. And I think this was yesterday, yeah, on the 22nd. So basically what happened is The project was actually cheated by the developers, okay? And what actually happened after the cheating is the price actually came up. I don't know if it was here or maybe it was here. I can't actually remember. Maybe, yeah, that's the same day. It was probably here. But then there was a community takeover, which basically started yesterday. We saw a really nice price hike followed by a huge dump, which was inevitable, guys, okay? Absolutely inevitable to see that dump. Holders really low at 2,605. But then again, we're seeing some huge volatility up and down and up and down. And yeah, it wasn't looking good, guys. It was basically a huge crash yesterday after I got in with my $50. But since not too long ago, so that's actually probably just a few hours ago for me, it's actually seen a bit of an uprising. So will be really interesting to see where this one goes. Now, the most interesting thing about this one is, again, the market cap, guys. It's super, super low, similar to Root, maybe just slightly higher, 496k. Okay, so just under that 500,000 mark, and has been as high as I think 700 to 900,000. OMNI, folks, is another one that actually is setting a pretty good chart, okay? So as you can see, we got a couple of high lows forming here, one approximately around here, another one here. It looks like we might be setting another one soon here. The only concern for this one is that there aren't sort of two higher highs here, which, you know, if you're doing TA, could possibly indicate that there might be a bit of a bullish signal going on here. But honestly, guys, this is just honestly, I think TA really is a little bit less relevant here. It's just about, okay, guys, which meme do we want to buy? Who's going to buy it? Which one's most appealing for whatever reason? I think socials have a big deal to do with it, and story, of course, and people just buy in or they don't. That's kind of really how it goes. It's done pretty well over the last 24 hours, up 209% in terms of the holders as well. Huge amount of holders as well compared to the other ones, 14,123, and the market cap also is a lot bigger on OMNI as well, guys, at 29,852,000. I say a lot bigger in comparison to the other ones that are not even 1 million market cap. And just remember, guys, obviously these ones up at 29 million, you're less likely to get your 100 to 1000x on these, but still definitely probably some 10x potential on these ones. The next one, folks, is pants, okay? So essentially a dog wearing some pants. It's literally as simple as that. 5k holders just about there. All right, then we got the market cap just over 1 million at 1.3 million. All right, public name is Dog with Pants. And yeah, guys, again, from here, December 22nd, 7:45 for me, it was PM. We saw a huge crash down, but rebounded, I wouldn't say hard, but rebounded and started to really consolidate within this channel here, and looking for a bit of movement to the upside now. Now, what you got to remember is, guys, obviously, the lower the market cap, the more potential volatility, the more potential manipulation. I mean, there's manipulation volatility in all of crypto, but definitely as you go lower down in that market cap, you're going to get more of it. So again, guys, you've got to have balls of steel to be able to handle this. Now, this one's actually kind of funny, guys. Used car. So looks to be in a bit of an uptrend at the moment. Okay, so we had two high lows set here. Okay, one was from not long ago, 2:15 this morning for me, and then another one at 6:30 this morning. Got rejected hard both times, and kind of, well, this is kind of like a train track formation here, side by side. This one, not really, it's like a train track and a half. And then after that, guys, yeah, we hit that bottom around 8:45 this morning for me, and this looks pretty steady. Seen some steady growth here. Guys, this one is absolutely ridiculous. 672 holders. That's just ridiculous. Cricket noises in the background. 312,000 market cap. So this is one, guys, where you could get your 100x from here. Okay, but it's more likely it's going to, look, it's either going to go to 0 or it's going to do 100x, in my opinion. Yeah, I wouldn't even say it's 50-50. I don't know anything about the project. It's probably going to 0. But again, chuck 50 bucks in it, does 100x. I'm happy. And the last one we'll be having a look at is Bonk. Just kidding, guys. Way too high market cap there. BONKJNR, guys. Okay, so saying it's done almost 8,000% in the last 24 hours. So that is absolutely bonkers. No pun intended. 1,954 holders with a fully diluted market cap of 726,000, guys. So this is way off. Hasn't even hit 1 million market cap, guys. So this could have some really, really good room to run just purely off the bonk derivative, just with that alone. So this is another one that I'm keeping a pretty close eye on. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now, guys. And yeah, essentially, folks, all I'm doing with my 50 bucks is, when I make a bit of money off one of them, I'm just going to go and head over to Raydium, do a quick swap. The really great thing about Raydium, right, it's obviously Solana DEX, and as I said at the start of the video, the fees, guys, the trading fees are super, super small, easy to trade. Guys, let me know what you thought about this meme coin video, and make sure you let me know in the comments what meme coins you're invested in. Are you invested in SHIB, Doge, Pepe, Bonk, any of the top 4, Floki, God forbid? Or are you kind of maybe into some of these more lucrative games that are becoming a lot more popular on the Solana ecosystem right now? Make sure you drop a like on this video and let me know if you want to see more updated content like this, guys. And yeah, otherwise I just won't make it. I just thought I'd, put this video out to see where you guys are at, what you guys think about this kind of thing. And yeah, again, it's just me coming at you honestly with what I'm doing. This is just for fun, guys. You know, 10 bucks here, 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks in these. Like, yeah, likelihood is I'll lose it all, but it's just a laugh, because if one does pay off, you never know. That could be like 10 grand or something. So yeah, anyway, guys, hopefully I can keep you posted, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.